What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the number one stock that I have been consistently buying over the past 6 to 12 months. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Before I reveal what stock that I've been consistently buying, I have to take a few moments here to get something off of my chest. Like many of you guys, I have always been a huge fan of the financial space here on YouTube. Before I finally decided to start my own YouTube channel, and still to this day, I will spend countless amounts of time every day watching videos from my other favorite YouTubers. Just the other day, I was watching this video by JJ Buckner, and I have to say that he hit the nail on the head. Recently here on YouTube, it seems that no matter what video comes out in the stock market space, it's all about the next stock that could potentially 10x, 20x, 30x, or more in the short term. Videos about the next penny stock or SPAC that has potential to make you a ton of money and make you rich quick. And as someone who is actively trying to grow my YouTube channel, I'll be the first to admit that I have definitely fallen into this, focused on getting views and helping to grow my channel. But whenever I first decided to make my YouTube channel, I did so because I wanted to help other people learn how to manage their finances, learn how to get out of debt, and learn how to save for retirement and build a portfolio. While I enjoy talking about those speculative investments that you guys like to hear about, I want to get back to some of these other topics that I had in mind whenever I first decided to start my channel. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be talking about the one stock that I have been consistently adding to my Roth IRA. And that company is none other than Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. For those of you who may not be familiar with Realty Income, trading under the ticker O, it is a real estate investment trust, also known as a REIT, that, like its slogan implies, pays out dividends every single month. Realty Income was founded in 1969 and has been consistently paying out its dividends and growing them every year since then. As you might imagine based on their logo, Realty Income is dedicated to their dividend, paying out 606 consecutive monthly dividends since it was founded in 1969, having 109 dividend increases and 93 consecutive quarters where it has been able to increase its dividend. In addition to that, Realty Income also has a large portfolio of properties that it has been consistently growing each year, with its main tenants listed here. Speaking of Realty Income's tenants, that's another thing that I love about this company. Their tenants are so diverse, covering multiple different sectors. While they did have some difficulty collecting their rent from some tenants during the pandemic, like LA Fitness and AMC, all of their other tenants were consistently paying their rents. And it's this consistent cash flow that I love about Realty Income so much. From a financial perspective, Realty Income has an amazing balance sheet, with their total assets sitting at $19.7 billion versus their total liabilities at $9.2 billion. And their funds from operations, also known as the FFO, is exceptional as well, currently at 82 cents per share, which is more than enough to cover their monthly dividend. I'm currently holding shares of Realty Income in my Roth IRA and consistently adding shares over time as well for a few main reasons. The first reason, as you guys can probably guess, is that consistent cash flow that's coming in each month in the form of dividends. At the time that I'm recording this video, the current yearly contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $6,000 per year. So I view my dividend investments, such as Realty Income, as ways to add additional capital to my Roth IRA so that I can build my portfolio faster. In addition to that, the other main reason that I love Realty Income as a long-term investment is for the growth that I think that they have ahead of them due to all of the other reasons that we've already talked about in this video. At the time that I'm recording this video, Realty Income is currently trading for around $59 per share, still well below where it was trading prior to the start of the pandemic. Personally, I think it's only a matter of time before we see a recovery in Realty Income's share price, and I think that over time it will slowly continue to increase in value until eventually it's going to be at least double where it's at right now. In the meantime, I will gladly hold my shares and continue to collect those monthly dividends and also continue to build up my portfolio and buy more shares of Realty Income while it remains undervalued and trading at around $60 per share. Then at some point in the future, once I see the capital gains that I would like to see on the original share price, I would probably consider selling at least half of my position to take those profits and put them into another investment while holding on to the other half of the shares and continue to collect those dividends on house money. What are your thoughts about Realty Income? Is this a company that you're invested in? Would you consider buying shares of Realty Income? Where do you think that the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.